job, good job. Oh, did you just start? Sorry guys about that intro. That was just not to be heard. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today we're going to be doing this like Smoosh Mushy cup and cakes. I don't know. My auntie got this for me and she was just scrolling around in Walmart. And then she stopped by these things. And she got them. Like, obvious. So, I don't really know what this is. My little sister did a video and check it out. It's called Milani Channel, I think. Milani's Channel, Milani's Show, whatever. And she did this and she got like different stuff too. I don't know what this is, but I'm excited to do this. So, let's get started. Alright, let's see if we can open this. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay. So, I don't know what that is. Alright guys, so we got it open and I'm gonna do the blue one. Oh guys, it comes like this. At first when we saw it, it came with like these things and I thought they were like bracelets or rings, but they're not. They're like these like little charm things. I got a red one in this hand and a green one in this hand. And like little charm things for like the little, you know, like the little things. And they come with like a big one and a small one, and they're squishies. I haven't had a squishy before, so this is going to be pretty weird because I never really felt a squishy. And squishies also smell like pretty good, but sometimes they can smell poisonous. I'm not trying to say anything, but yeah, it's true. Sometimes they can smell a little poisonous. Because my brother, he actually had one of these, and we opened them, and when we smelled them, they smelled like something in like, I don't know. Okay, I finally got it open after like a million years. So this is what it comes in, this is what it came in. Oh, this is so pretty. It kind of looks like what my brother got when he got one of these. I don't really know what this is. It looks like I don't know what this is, but this is what it is. Oh, this is what it is. It's like, has like a little smiley face, has like a little rope. It's probably like a cake. I don't know. Alright, so this is what it is. I don't really know what it is, but it has a really cute smiley face. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Now we're going to open this thing. Oh, I got a little tiger. Oh, that's so pretty. It's really squishy too. Let's smell it. Because remember I told you guys some smell like good things. Some smell like poisonous. It smells like something. Okay, so this is what I got. It's a little tiger. And it has like a little hat. In the back, you got a little tail. Alright. Now, is there anything else in here? It comes. Wow, that's so cool. If you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see the inside, but if you guys see the inside, it shows like the tiger and like the little cake thing. That's actually pretty cool. I never noticed that until I actually found it. So, it comes like the little wrap, the little, not instructions, like the little manual where you can see where the thing is. Let's see if it's an ultra rare one. Ah, I got it. Tabby the Tiger and Funa Fondant. So this is Funa Fondant. It's like a little cake. And this is Tabby Tiger. And if you guys also don't know this, my tablet, I have a tablet and his name is Tabby. So that's really weird. Alright, just gonna keep that there and I'm gonna put the trash over here. We don't need this anymore. Alright, put all that over there. Put that right there. Oh yeah, it also comes with beads to put, like, you see that little thing right there? We can put like the little beads on there. So that'll look really pretty once I get a chance to do that. Alright, now we're going to open this one. Alright, so this is really hard to open. This is really hard. And they like securing these things really good. Okay, so now I think that's good. Yeah, after a million years, once again, we opened it. So this one, oh, it comes with, I got all red, and I don't really like red that much. much. But I got 2 red little clip things I showed you guys last time. And this one's over here. And got only 1 green. I was hoping for a blue one, but you don't get what you want in life. Alright, now we're just going to open this. Oh, that was actually easy. I was going to say it takes a million years to open this, but that was easy. Oh my gosh. It's like a little sandwich, or ice cream sandwich or something. It's super, it has like purple hair, and it has wait, I know what this is. It's like an ice cream sandwich, or you guys know those little things you can in a store that has the cookie and some frosting in the middle. That's what it looks like, or it could be a cup. I don't know. All right, now we're going to. Oh my gosh! This is so pretty. Look at that! It's so cute. This is gonna be one of my favorites. This one is okay, but this one is so cute. You can see the tail. Yeah. This is what it comes with. I don't think it's really a match, but you know. Okay, now we're going to look at this. Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, it's right here. Oh, so you have I don't know if you guys can see this, but they have these little card things you can what? You can put on these little things, I think, and you can hook it on there so you can always see I don't know. It's like a name tag, and then you can name your name or something, or you can name the squishy's name on there. And it has 2 of them. It comes with every pack you get. So now I know what these are after saying they're something. They are keychains. You know, if you have keys, you have certain stuff on there. This is what they are, but I think they go on this, or you can put them on real keys if you have any to your house or to someplace. I don't know. So that goes there, and now we're going to get a little. Let me put this on here. Little manual thing, so we. Aww, it's so cute. So this is. Yeah, I think it mixed up, but it says this is Tylee Tiger. This is a tiger. I thought it was a zebra. I thought it was a zebra, but it's a tiger. Wait, it looks alike. Are they twins? I got twins! Guys, I got twins! I got twins! They're exactly alike. I didn't know. I thought this was a zebra. Okay, it's not a zebra. Alright, so I got Tylee Tiger and Petuna Puff. So I don't really know what this is, but this is Tylee Tiger and Petuna Puff. So that's everything I got, guys. It comes with a lot of stuff, but the smell of it is, it kind of smells like something you don't really want to smell, but I think that's only for some of them. I don't really know, but they don't really smell like something you should be smelling. So yeah, guys, I don't really think you guys should. It's a really good set, but you guys shouldn't really smell them a lot, because it looks like it's hard to explain. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got for this whole Smooshy Mushy set. Remember, guys, if you do get this, don't really sniff it a lot, because I don't really know what they put on it to make it smell like that. So remember, don't sniff it a lot if you do get one of these little cups. It actually asks for an adult to help you open it, because they're trying to secure this thing really good. I have no muscles here. Do you guys see this? It's just jiggleness. I had to have my auntie literally help me. So that's all I have to say about this kit. It's really nice. It's really good. I think it's a good kit. Remember not to smell and ask for an adult to help you open it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And please subscribe. Let's get this video to 125 likes. And if you want to be the first person to watch this video, then you have to click that bell. And also stay tuned for, I'm doing a video tomorrow of us going to the pool. So if you guys want to watch the video, stay tuned. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!